What's up, everybody? Mike here with Jason at Buckhead Imports. Wanted to quickly talk to you about the Apex exhaust. For those that have been following what we've been doing with this IS chassis, the 2021, this was the first in the world. Shout out, big thank you to Masaki-san and the whole team at Apex for getting that to me. So this came straight from Japan, and we had to go to Sebring.
Yes.
And we had to put on the RSR coilovers, the ADV1 wheels, and the tires, and get to Sebring, and the exhaust came in on time.
Like a day and a half. Like, Mike's like, here's a box, I need all this on the car.
So we got it done, including the engine intake, but let's stick to the exhaust. So this is something I'm gonna actually pass on to Jason. It's full stainless steel with the titanium tips, and then Jason installed it, obviously, and he's gonna talk about it right now.
All right, so this is the Apex exhaust, basically from the downpipes off the engine, midsection, and the rear mufflers. This kit was unbelievably easy to install. Everything fit. All the muffler hangers went into the exact factory spots. I hung the front, left everything loose, basically hung the rear mufflers, got everything kind of positioned the way that it needed to. Everything tightened up. It fit perfect. There's no rattles, no rubbing, no heat, you know, getting any bad places, but I was very impressed with how the fitment was on this exhaust system.
So now I've put, you know, we drove it straight to Sebring and back. I've obviously been driven around Atlanta. I've done some mountain runs with it. Definitely increased idle response. It sounds much better than stock. Stock was okay, but now it really is nice. And obviously the dual look. I think Jason in particular, we like the dual kind of canister look with the stainless steel right here. So thank you for making it happen.
Yeah. We made it. We made it there. Nothing fell off the car. Everything was good. So I installed it properly.
And we're gonna do some sound clips for you guys.